What makes Calibrite ColorChecker Passport Photo 2 the perfect pocket-sized industry-standard color reference for photographers and creators? Well, it contains the ColorChecker Classic target, Creative Enhancement target, white balance and gray balance target in a protective plastic case. Shooting with multiple cameras or varying lighting conditions? This will help you get the best match possible. Starting with the ColorChecker Classic, each of its 24 patches is a precisely formulated solid pigment tone. Pure, rich, and consistent with no tints or halftone dots, manufactured under the tightest quality controls. Let's break down the layout. This row features a tonal grayscale, including 18% gray patch, used as a midtone reference for exposure and color balance. The patches to its left and right differ by 1 stop in reflectance, helping photographers evaluate exposure quickly and accurately. Next, we have the primary RGB colors and secondary colors, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Then we have natural tones, orange, purplish blue, moderate red, purple, yellow-green, orange-yellow, blue flower, and bluish-green. And finally, these 4 patches represent a dark and light skin tone, sky blue, and foliage green, giving photographers and creators familiar reference points for human subjects and natural environments. The ColorChecker Classic is a vital visual tool for optimizing exposure and white balance. When the combined RGB values read between 117 to 128 on the 18% gray patch, depending on your color space, you know the image is properly exposed. And when the RGB values are all equal on any of the neutral gray patches, you've neutralized the color as well. Here's a quick before and after. Beyond visual reference, the ColorChecker Classic supports automated workflows. Create custom DNG profiles in Adobe Lightroom, build ICC profiles for Capture One and Calibrite Profiler, generate automatic primary color corrections in DaVinci Resolve. The Creative Enhancement target is truly unique. The middle 2 rows are warming and cooling patches, the top row is a set of warming patches for portraits, and the bottom row is a set of warming and cooling patches for landscapes. The row of clipping patches at the bottom are for evaluating highlights and shadows. They are in 1/3 f-stop increments, except for the last black patch, which is 1/10 of a stop different from its neighbor. At the top, you will find 8 HSL spectrum patches to ensure color fidelity across all hues so you can evaluate and edit for any color shifts. The white balance card allows you to create custom in-camera white balance or select it with the eyedropper in your favorite image processing software. The 18% gray patch allows you to easily spot meter and have a large reference in your editing software if needed. Finally, the ColorChecker Passport Photo 2 has an included lanyard, and you can customize with your name or date of purchase, as it is recommended to get a new one annually for the best accuracy. Let the ColorChecker Passport help you get to a reliable color-accurate baseline before your final color grade, whether shooting photo or video. Explore the links below for workflow videos using your favorite software titles and to see accessories to hold and store your color checkers.